Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a topic work, power, energy. This is a chapter from our class 11th. So, in this chapter we will discuss work. Before discussing work, power and energy, we are here to discuss a topic dot product. हमने इससे पहले क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में हम स्टडी कर चुके हैं. आज हम डिस्कस करते हैं डॉट प्रोडक्ट. तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट का जो दूसरा नेम है उसको हम बोलते हैं स्केलर प्रोडक्ट. बेटा, जो डॉट प्रोडक्ट होता है हमारा, इन डॉट प्रोडक्ट इसका जो सिंबल है दैट इज डिनोटेड बाय सिंपली दिस डॉट, एंड the result, or you can say the output of this product will come in terms of scalar quantity. So its result is a scalar value. Let us consider we are taking two vectors. This is a vector, this is vector b, and these both vectors are inclined at an angle theta. So the dot or scalar product is given by, what is the definition of dot product? It will be a vector dot b vector is equal to magnitude of a vector, magnitude of b vector into cos of theta. And you can say we can calculate cos theta from this equation, that cos theta will be equal to a vector dot b vector upon magnitude of a into magnitude of b. So now we will discuss some further more points about this dot product. So when we will take the projection of vector b on a, then in this term we will consider a vector dot b vector is equal to a into b cos theta. Here we are taking b cos theta as the projection, and look at this diagram. B cos theta is the projection of vector b on the vector a. So for calculating the projection we have to draw a perpendicular from the from the head of that vector onto the other vector. So this term O and up to this perpendicular point, this is simply b cos theta. And if you will take the projection of a vector, then you have to draw a perpendicular from head of a to the vector b. Then this value will be equal to a cos theta. In geometrically we can say b cos theta is the projection of b onto a, and a cos theta is the projection of a vector onto b. सो आई होप आपको प्रोजेक्शन और जो डॉट प्रोडक्ट की डेफिनेशन है ये दोनों चीजें आपको क्लियर हुई. अब हम बढ़ते हैं आगे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डॉट प्रोडक्ट. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज डॉट प्रोडक्ट रिजल्ट्स इन अ स्केलर वैल्यू. मींस जो इसका रिजल्ट आएगा दैट विल बी अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी. डॉट प्रोडक्ट जो है आपका दैट इज कॉम्यूटेटिव. कॉम्यूटेटिव का बेसिक मीनिंग क्या होता है बेटा? If you are writing a dot b vector, that will be equal to b vector dot a vector. If this property is holding that particular two vectors, then these vectors are known as, these are commutative on dot product. Next is dot product is distributive. Distributive का क्या meaning है यहाँ पर? When you will write a vector dot b vector plus c vector, then it will be a vector dot b vector plus a vector plus dot c vector. If this identity will hold, then we can say that dot product is distributive. Next property is I cap dot I cap is equal to j cap dot j cap is equal to k cap dot k cap, that is equal to 1. Next is I cap dot j cap is equal to j cap dot k cap is equal to k cap dot I cap is equal to 0. What does it mean? That when you take a dot product of any vector or any vector along its own axis, there are two vectors, you are taking a dot product when the two vectors are along the same axis, then in that case their dot product of unit vectors will be equal to 1. But when you take that the two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then the dot product of their unit vector is equal to 0. Next is component of a along b, that will be equal to magnitude of a into cos theta. What it will be? We can calculate this term from the given definition in the previous slide. So A vector magnitude of A into cos theta will be equal to A vector dot B vector upon B modulus of B. You can see here B vector upon modulus of B. This will term as unit vector of B. So component of A along B will be equal to A vector dot B cap. In the similar way, you can find out component of B along A vector. That will be equal to B vector into component unit vector of A cap. Next property is A vector is given in 3-dimensional coordinates, that is Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap, and B vector is given as Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. Then you have to take a dot product. Then A dot B vector will be equal to, as we can see from these properties 4 and 5, I dot I का जो component होगा वो हमारा lie करेगा and the dot product of I cap into I cap that will be equal to 1 while the all other products will become 0. So the term Ax into Bx plus Ay into By plus Az into Bz, it will lie, all other terms will become 0. If we will take both the vectors as same, so A vector dot A vector will be equal to Ax into Ax plus Ay into Ay plus Az into Az, or you can say A vector dot A vector will be equal to A square, and that will be equal to Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square. Similar way, you can say B square will be equal to Bx square plus By square plus Bz square. I hope ये स्लाइड आपको क्लियर हुई. नेक्स्ट आगे हम डिस्कस करते हैं वर्क. तो वर्क को अगर हम बेसिक प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल से डिस्कस करें, then you can see in this diagram that this horse is pulling the cart. So this horse is doing work on the cart. A horse pulling a cart does work. Next, how can you define the work? Work done by the force is defined to be the product of the component of the force in the direction of the displacement and the magnitude of the displacement. What is it? That work done is simply equal to force into displacement, and the force will be in the direction of displacement, or you can say that there will be a component of force as well. So work done will be equal to component of force in the direction of displacement into displacement. So it will be W will be equal to F cos theta into S. This can be written as Fs into cos theta. When there is a cos theta, you can write it F dot S. So W will be equal to F vector in dot S vector. You can see that these F and S are what? Vector quantity, but the result we have not taken arrow over W, that is W is a scalar quantity, there is no arrow, there is no symbol of vector quantity. So this will be equal to F dot into S, that is हमारा जो रिजल्ट आता है डॉट प्रोडक्ट का वो क्या होता है बेटा? स्केलर क्वांटिटी होता है. नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस वर्क डन बाय ए पैरेलल फोर्सेज. This is a table. We have to put this block on this table. Then we have to displace it from this position to this position by applying the force towards the right side. In this case, the force is applying towards the right side and the displacement is also in the same direction. Then in that case, what you have to say, W is equal to Fs into cos theta. That is, theta is 0 between F and S, because you can see from this diagram, both are in the same direction. Fs cos 0 degree. That is, Fs cos 0 की वैल्यू हमारी क्या होती है? 1 होती है. When work done by an oblique force, that is, the force is not in the same direction with the displacement. You can see again the same example. यहाँ पर एक ब्लॉक रखा है. We have to put a force at an angle and the displacement will be in the same direction as the previous example. So force is in this direction, that is at some angle with the S. You can see from here that there is a force at some an angle, that is that angle is theta. You can see W is equal to F cos theta into S. What we have seen in the definition that we have to take the component of force in the direction of s. You can see that this is angle theta, that component of F in the direction of S will be F cos theta. So W will be F cos theta into S. So that will be equal to Fs into cos theta. नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं कि ये एक डमरू रखा है, ड्रम रखा है, इसको एक पर्सन इसको पुल करता है. When this person pulls, then displacement is inward direction. This is from left to right. You can see force is applying in this direction. This is in an oblique direction. Displacement is along this line. So there is an angle theta between the force and the displacement. So force F is resolved in two rectangular components, F cos theta, and the perpendicular component will be equal to F sin theta. But F sin theta जो आपका component है, that will act in vertical direction, does not displace the body in that direction because there is no displacement in the vertical direction. So F sin theta will no work on the force. There will be a component which is acting on the force, that will be only F cos theta. So F cos theta acting in the horizontal direction displaces the body in that direction. ये देखिए आप मैं वापस दिखाती हूँ. ये देखिए हमारी इस बॉडी आगे जा रही है, डायरेक्शन किस साइड में है इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट का, जो अभी हम ये रेड मार्क से देख रहे हैं, दिस इज इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ F cos theta. So you can see here work done is equal to force component into displacement. I hope आपको ये क्लियर हुआ. W equal to F cos theta into S, that will be equal to Fs cos theta. The next term is when is work zero. That is we have to see those situation when work done is zero. जब हमारे पास वर्क डन होता है तो उस केस में हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए बेटा, एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर, वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट, और यू कैन से कंपोनेंट ऑफ फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. So when there is a work done on the body, then both of these things, force and displacement, must be present in a body. First case, for the zero work done, if a force applied on a body does not produce displacement in the body, scientifically work is not done. When there is a thing that अगर कोई force apply हो रहा है and there is no displacement in the body, then you can say that there is no work. In that case work done is zero. You can see here कि ये हमारा वर्क डन नीचे की साइड में हो रहा है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट इस केस में हमारा हो नहीं रहा है, इसका जो वेट है बुक का ये डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में लगेगा. तो यहाँ पर हमारा क्या हो रहा है बेटा, कोई वर्क अप्लाई नहीं होगा. आप क्या देख सकते हैं इस डायग्राम में, a man holding a book in his hand is stationary position, does not do any work since the weight of the book acting on him does not produce any displacement. यही चीज मैंने आपको बताई है कि जो इसका वेट होगा वो वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड लगेगा. जो ये पर्सन है इसने अपने हाथों में इस बुक को होल्ड कर रखा है, सो देयर डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में फोर्स लग रहा है बट देयर इज नो डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो यू कैन से हियर इन दिस केस द वर्क डन इज जीरो. यू कैन सी द अदर एग्जांपल दैट दिस मैन इज पुशिंग दिस वॉल. In this case the wall is not moving, then displacement is zero. A man trying to push a rigid and stationary wall does not do work since force is applied by him does not move the wall. जो force ये man हमारा यहाँ पर अप्लाई कर रहा है इस wall के ऊपर, वो force जो है that is not sufficient to move the wall. So in this case the displacement is zero. You can say force work done is also zero. In the next example, you can see here when there is no force applied on the body, then in that case work done will be zero. You can see this thing, this statement from this diagram, from this experiment. You can see here friction is absent, the body is moving under uniform motion, there will be no work. Now we are going to discuss some points about work. Work is a scalar quantity, it can be positive, negative and zero. नेगेटिव वर्क का मतलब स्केलर क्वांटिटी, वेक्टर क्वांटिटी नहीं होता है. नेगेटिव का मतलब है कि जो उसकी डायरेक्शन थी डिस्प्लेसमेंट की दैट इज ऑपोजिट. नेक्स्ट है डायमेंशन ऑफ वर्क इज इक्वल टू में mL/t-2. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज एसआई यूनिट ऑफ वर्क इज जूल. जब हम पूरा लिखते हैं तो स्मॉल जे लिखते हैं, जब केवल नोटेशन सिंबल लिखते हैं तो कैपिटल जे लिखते हैं. 1 जूल इक्वल टू 1 न्यूटन इंटू 1 मीटर, दैट इज 1 joule is the amount of work done when 1 Newton of force acting on a displacement. that is 1 meter. Thank you beta.